Hey, what's up, guys? Purpose Driven Live Sports here, back here with another video. I just wanted to do a quick one. Pretty sure if you guys haven't heard, well, mostly all the major sports organizations, the NBA, NHL, MLB, the NCAA, college sports. No, there's somebody I'm missing, MLS. Those leagues have officially suspended their seasons or, put them on, postpone them for the time being until the coronavirus is either contained or it is, to some point just under control, which I think is a great idea. I think the more you can kind of limit the exposure to the players, and then you have people not in mass gatherings, I think that's going to help contain, the cases and help people get better. I think at this point, the league shutting down just helps people, kind of get together and focus on their health and focus on the health of their families, communities, making it safer. I don't know which states there are, but I know some states are starting to declare a state of emergency or things like that, things of that nature. Schools are probably starting to come up with plans. Schools have to close because of this, which I'm pretty sure a lot of schools will be doing that just because it, at least for 2 weeks, if not more, because that's just what public health officials are saying. They're saying that, all these people getting together in these classes and kids going to school, it's just a lot of exposure to each other, a lot of close contact, and the less that we have of that, then the less that it can really start spreading even more. It's just a crazy situation. I was a little sad last night, but then, this morning I thought about it, and I think it's just NBA. You have Rudy Gobert, who tested positive yesterday. Then you saw him the other day touch people's microphones. So you know how many other people he infected, probably. His teammate, Donovan Mitchell, got infected. Or not infected. He also tested positive. Heard somewhere that Emmanuel Mudiay tested positive. Not sure if that's still true or what, but also heard that Rudy Gobert was being careless in the locker room. So, yikes, he's got a little something to explain on his hands. But, you know, let's just all focus on being in good health, and not panicking. I hear a lot of YouTubers, a lot of different people say that, which is true. Just not panicking. You just need to be aware and just have good hygiene habits. Washing your hands, after each activity that you do, or if you're out in public, find a bathroom, wash your hands. Just things of that nature. Sanitizing yourself, making sure that you're not in too close of contact with people, and just keeping that type of good hygiene, Social distancing is a good thing right now because people, we have lives, we have jobs, and right now a lot of people cannot afford to be getting sick. So, and that's just the truth of the matter. We can't all be like these leagues and then just, shut down, because we all have lives to live. So that's one thing that you have to, just be mindful of, is just, use this opportunity as a good way to build habits that you should sustain. Because I feel like, I think some people are panicking, but I think this is something that we can easily get through just by, following just good hygiene rules. And, use these good hygiene rules as ways to sustain yourself as you live on, That's all I think we should really take out of this. Not panicking, but just, just those things. I don't think I have anything else to say. But it is crazy, just, wow, what happened to Rudy Gobert. You don't wish that upon anybody, but, when you're going around messing around, sometimes, life just kind of shows you, stuff gets serious pretty quick. So, got to watch out for that. Definitely, for sure. It was weird how the NCAA was still going to play tournaments. And then after some thinking today, they officially shut down the March Madness. I think they should have been doing this even like late last night. But, the NCAA is weird, so I don't really have much comment on that. But, thank the NBA for, being the head of the, lead head with that. Then the other leagues for following. It's just good to protect your players from getting sick. I'll just say this as the last thing. I don't know how many other players will see tested positive because of all the contact that Rudy Gobert has had in the past few games with all these other teams, but I'm pretty sure we'll see quite a few more cases. But all you do is, wish those guys good health. They're in peak physical condition, so I don't think it'll do too much to them. But, you just hope their families also recover, because you're in contact with their family all the time. So, you hope their families are okay as well. But, just crazy last night. Excuse me, seeing all the postponements of games right in the middle of that Pelicans game, and then you just see them, because of that referee who reffed that Jazz game earlier in the week, postpone that game. Vince Carter probably retiring. It's just, man, it's just crazy. So, but, thank you guys for listening. Leave your comments. I'll read them. I'll respond. It's a crazy time, but, all we can do is just, get through this and build good habits, so that, just things like this don't have this kind of effect, because it's become a global pandemic, which means it's a global thing. It's a global sickness. And, that's just the thing. So, everybody stay in good health. Don't panic, just, I say don't panic, but that doesn't mean, don't start lounging around and thinking this isn't serious. Just be aware of it, and just, take care of yourselves. So, that's all I want to say to you guys. It's Perfect Live Sports, and I'll see you guys in my next video.